Watermelon, the natural Viagra. Watermelon is comparable to the action of Viagra, sildenafil for the management of erectile dysfunction. That will now lead us to the mechanism of action of sildenafil branded Viagra. How does sildenafil brings about its ability to maintain penile erection? Now, in the body, there is an enzyme that is referred to as phosphodiesterase 5. This enzyme is concentrated in the penis. When you take your Viagra, it goes straight to inhibit this enzyme. What does this enzyme does in the body? This enzyme break down a substance that is referred to as CGMP, cyclic guanosine monophosphate. It is this CGMP that brings about the dilation of the vascular smooth muscles of the penis, which will now result in penile erection. Now, how is this CGMP produced in the body? This CGMP is produced from a gas in the body that is referred to as nitric oxide. Nitric oxide, through its activation, will produce CGMP, cyclic guanosine monophosphate. It is this CGMP that now brings about the dilation of the smooth muscle of the penis, which results in penile erection. As I said, when you now take Viagra, your Viagra increases the concentration of this CGMP in the body. The resultant effect, which is now to maintain penile erection. Watermelon, how is it comparable to this Viagra now? Watermelon contains an amino acid that is referred to as citrulline. Watermelon, I repeat, contains an amino acid that is referred to as citrulline. This citrulline, it is converted in the body to L-arginine. L-arginine is now converted to nitric oxide. In summary, nitric oxide is gotten from citrulline after being converted to L-arginine. Now, when you take watermelon now, the concentration of nitric oxide in the body will be increased because watermelon has a lot of citrulline, which will be converted to L-arginine, and L-arginine will now be converted to nitric oxide. And as we said earlier, nitric oxide is a potent vasodilator because it is converted to CGMP, cyclic guanosine monophosphate. It is this CGMP that now brings about the dilation of the penile smooth muscle. And as we said, phosphodiesterase 5 inhibitors such as your sildenafil and your tadalafil increase the concentration of this CGMP by preventing the enzymes that degrade this CGMP. Now, in one research that was carried out some years ago, 2011 to be precise, 24 men were involved in this research. And in this research, the 24 men were given a placebo. Placebo is a substance that is not the medication of choice, the medication that we want to get its effect. Any other substance that is outside that medication of choice that we are doing research about is referred to as placebo. These 24 men were given a placebo for 1 month. In the second month, these 24 men were now given citrulline. They were given citrulline juice. Now, The results from that research is that only two men that took placebo said they had significant effect in their erection, whereas 12 of the men said they had significant improvement in their erection after using citrulline. That is to say, citrulline has a very significant relationship with erection, as increasing this concentration of citrulline in the body will result in increasing penile erection. However, before this effect is seen, there must be stimulation, there must be sexual stimulation, and it should also be stated clearly that if you are diabetic, you should talk to your doctor before you take watermelon, as watermelon contain a lot of glucose that may increase your blood sugar level. Also, if you have peptic ulcer, you should talk to your doctor before you take watermelon, as watermelon is also known to trigger peptic ulcer. Now, which form of watermelon contains more citrulline? If you want to consume watermelon for you to get the citrulline effect, try and consume juicy watermelon, as that will give you more citrulline. Thank you so much for listening to this video. I'll see you in my next video. I am Pharmacist Festus Enihai.